We had a silly ejection again. Bottom of the 6th inning. This one's brought to you by DraftKings. That is, they want it as a strike. Is it low? Is it in the zone? The box that's fake says it's low, but that box is fake, and he's upset about it. He wants the low strike. That's going to really help him out. He goes outside, gets the strike call over there on the 3-0 count. Just like, all right, whatever. So goes back outside again. Gets the swing, has to protect, and then goes up, ball in play, into the sun. Look, just in the sun. He was in the shadows, ball's in the sun, blinded. Next batter comes up, swing, fouled back. Then swing, fouled back, 0-2, way upstairs, down low. He thinks that crosses in the zone, doesn't get the call. The ump is going to say, you can see his hand, the ump's saying that's inside. He's telling the dugout. Burnesy doesn't like it. Next pitch, dead center, strikeout. Okay, don't even rely on the ump. Do it all yourself. Does he get the swing? Yes. Nasty little curveball there. Then, oh, come on. He wants that. What the hell are you doing? Give him the bottom of the zone. Is that the knee? He likes it. He wants it. It's a perfect pitch. Then just right dead center, 96. Fine. Don't need you. Oh, jam shot. I'll catch it myself. Don't need you. Makes the play. Goes to his knees. Spikes it. Fuck. Nice spike. Aggressive. Football fans, they like it. It's fucking terrible. Terrible. Tells the umpire. Inconsistent zone. Don't like it. I want the bottom of the zone. Don't care about the outside. Oh, shut up. All day, blah, blah. Oh, no, I don't want to hear it, they say to each other. And then, yeah, look at the play. Tracking it. Who says pitchers can't catch balls? He was under it the whole way. So now, first pitch of the top of the 7th is a curveball away, strike, and Burnesy says, probably not. And then the ump says, what did you say? Did you say probably not? And he's like, I might have said it. I might have. And he says, okay, well, you're gone. Burnesy just laughs. I don't know what his pitch count was. Was he going to stay in the game? It seems like no one's really phased that he got ejected, so maybe his day was done. But I think he yelled probably not to the ump's strike call, and that got him ejected. Well, that and all the other stuff and the complaining beforehand. But I think, the triggering thing was probably not, or probably high. I think the ump just says strike. He's probably not. And he says, did you just say what I think you said? Oh, I don't know. Well, could have, maybe. And he says, all right, you're gone then. And then a big chuckle. So always fun when players are getting ejected way after the main altercation. Thanks, DraftKings, for sponsoring the breakdown. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank the umpires for being so entertaining. And Burnesy for being very good at pitching.